Hey, how are you? My name is Hamy. Welcome to my channel. Episode 1. The Wrong Bus. I got on the wrong bus and I didn't realize it for 1 hour. And that mistake changed my whole day. Yesterday, I was at the bus station. I needed to go to the city center. Did you check the ticket? Yes, I thought I did. I saw a bus. It looked normal. Many passengers were already inside. So you got on? Yes, I showed my ticket and sat down. After about 20 minutes, I felt something was wrong. What did you notice? The route didn't look familiar. That was your first clue. I guess so. And that was your mistake. Yes, a big mistake. I asked another passenger, "Excuse me, where is this bus going?" And the passenger said, "This bus is going to the airport." The airport? Yes. My destination was the city center. Definitely. I checked my ticket again. Just 2 numbers in the wrong order. I couldn't believe it. I got on bus 25. My ticket was for bus 52. I got off at the next stop and waited for another bus. Did you finally arrive? Yes, but I arrived 30 minutes late. At least you arrived. That's true. Vocabulary review. Let's review today's words. Destination, the place you want to go. My destination was the city center. Mistake, something wrong you do. Getting on the wrong bus was my mistake. Passenger, a person who travels on a bus, train, or a plane. The passenger helped me. Ticket, something you need to travel. I showed my ticket. Arrive, to reach place. I arrived late. Have you ever taken the wrong bus? Tell us in the comments. And we will see you in episode 2. Give a like and subscribe. Thank you. You can like. Thank you.